Widari. Om Swastiastu. Good morning everyone. Welcome to our presentation session for urogenital system. My name is Meta Dwi Susanti and last name 061.
My name is Putu Meda Saskandari. My last name 052.
And my name is Shalini Hilali Renata with last name 087.
And I will be your moderator for today. We are excited to share insight on a very complex topic. Okay, so let's start the presentation. The first material will be explained by Sastra.
Okay. What is urogenital system? The urogenital system is a collective term for the urinary or excretory and reproduction system. These systems are grouped together because of their close embryological origin and use of some of same outlets in the body. The urinary system, kidneys, bladder, and EC function to filter fluid, to eliminate waste product in the form of urine, maintaining homeostasis, balance in the body. The reproductive system, testes, ovaries function to produce germ cells, sperm or eggs for reproduction. In men, these systems are closely linked because the urethra suffers a dual action of final pathway for both urine and semen. Next. Number 1. Function of the reproduction system. Produces reproductive cells, sperm or ovum, facilitates fertilization and pregnancy in women, produces sex hormones, testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. Number 2. Function of the urinary system. Filter goods and remove waste, urea, and creatinine. Regulators blood pressure, salt levels, and body pH. Produces hormones, erythropoietin, and renin.
Okay, thank you Sastra. And the next material will be explained by me. Okay, the first about part of urogenital. The first, kidneys. Description: a pile of organs, location in the back of the abdomen. Their main function is to filter the bowel, remove waste products and excess water, forming urine. And the second, ureters. Description: two narrow tubes that carry urine from the kidneys down to the urinary bladder. And the third, urinary bladder. Description: a hollow muscular balance-shaped organ that stores urine temporarily until it is ready to be emptied from the body. And the last, urethra. Description: a tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. In males, the urethra also serves as a duct for semen. Okay, and the next about male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is the primary function of the male reproductive system is to produce, maintain, and transport sperm and protective fluid, and to discharge them into the female reproduction tracts. It also produces and secretes male sex hormones, mainly testosterone. And then testes. The main reproductive organ, they are located outside the body in the scrotum. Their function are the first, spermatogenesis, producing sperm, and then hormone production testosterone. And then scrotum. Scrotum is a set of skin that holds and protects the testes. And then epidermis, a coiled tube connection to the back of each testicle. It stores sperm while they mature and gain the ability to swim. And then vas deferens, a muscular tube that transforms mature sperms from the epidermis to the urethra in preparation for ejaculation. And then accessory glands is this gland products the fluid that nourishes and transports sperms. And urethra is a tube that runs through the penis. It serves as the passageway for both urine and semen, though never at the same time. And last, penis. Penis, the function is the external organ used for copulation and urination. Okay, and the next will be explained by Chelsea.
And now I'll be tell about the part of female reproduction system. Right here we have ovaries. The function of ovaries is produce egg and estrogen, progesterone hormones. Fallopian tubes, the function of the organ is site of fertilization, uterus or womb, site of fetal growth. Cervix connect the uterus and vagina, and the vaginal function is birth canal and site of copulation. Right here we have a different women reproductive system. The slides show the difference between the female and male reproduction. On the left side, we see the main structure of the female reproduction system, such as the ovaries, fallopian tubes, and uterus, which play a role in ovulation and pregnancy. On the right side, we have male reproduction, and you can see the male reproduction system, which consists of the testicles, sperm duct, and penis, which function to produce and transport sperm. These two systems have different roles but complement each other in the human reproduction process.
Okay, and the last conclusion will be explained by me. The urogenital system is a combination of the urinary system and the reproduction system. The first, urinary, the function is filters blood and remove waste. And the main organs, kidneys, bladder, and ureters and urethra. And then iron to maintain body balance. And then reproduction produces a reproductive cells, and then main organ, testes or ovaries and ducts and glands, and then the last, males, the urethra serves a dual function for both urine and semen. Thank you for your attention, and we close with Promise Santi. Om Santi Santi Santi.